Hey, I'm Pascal from Orangepixel. Sorry for the weird intro or start of this video. I recorded a complete video for today, but while editing it, I just wasn't feeling it. Everything I talked about it without passion, it wasn't interesting enough. It was terrible, and I wanted to create a good video, and I wanted to show Regulator City. So we're gonna do it like this. A few weeks ago I did it as well, just a play session. This time more focused because I want to show you a couple of things or a few certain things in the game that I've been working on. So I'm just gonna play the game while talking here and there and explaining things that I've been working on. And hopefully that will be a much better video than the one I was recording earlier today, because it's gone, never to be seen by anybody else. So all right, intro, and then we're gonna play the game, and hopefully the setup is right. You might hear some of that, but ignore it, just go with it. Intro. All right, so here we go, and I've been adding the click here to wishlist on Steam. We're gonna update the demo on Steam pretty soon, but right now there's an exclusive demo on the Alienware website, which runs with actually this character, the Wrecking Ball, not available in the current Steam demo, but it's coming. Or I might do a closed beta just to see if we can perfect it, and I might do that for every character, but I haven't decided all of that. Right now, a lot of new stuff in this demo. It's not live yet on Steam, but that demo is pretty fun still. So go grab that one or wishlist the game, and there will be a new version of the demo pretty soon with all these things in there. Now let's go. City map, still the same thing. Here we start, and the first thing we start is Regulator HQ, headquarters. I usually ignore this guy because I know what he's saying, blah blah, and the city is in danger, blah blah, save, help, rescue, everything, all that stuff. Let's just go to the crime computer. Very minor little change done here is that I put the computer closer to the screen so there's more area above it. That way you can actually read the label that says crime computer. Tiny change, but was needed. Main thing I've been working on and changing. Let me lower the volume a bit. Oh, let me do it like this. There's more focus on sneaking. So we can now grab our knives and actually try to stay unalerted. Take this one down with our knife and melee weapon, then sneak up on this one, and your squad will stay back a little bit. This was one of the key things that I didn't get right. I would be sneaking around with my knife trying to take out everybody very silently, and my squad was just, we got guns, let's shoot them, and then it wasn't really stealthy at all. Now they will actually have their melee weapon as well, as you can see, and when I switch to a gun, they will also switch to a gun as soon as they need it near an enemy. Let's see if we got enemies here. There they go. I have a gun. They will grab a gun. There's nothing stealthy about it. I want to have the player pretty much decide how to play. You can play stealthy. You can tackle a mission stealthy. But if you just prefer go gun blazing, then it should be an option. And having that option is great, but it's also a very hard work to get it right. I think I'm close now, and it's actually a lot of fun to sneak up on enemies and to take missions very covert, like this one.
I'm on my way.
Voice samples, talked about it a few weeks ago. I have now a bunch of people sending me in voice samples. Still have to add all of them, but we got like 5 or 6 different voices now that will be used in the game, and it's pretty awesome to hear those things. Yeah, I didn't imagine that many people actually wanted to add their voice to the game. Thank you for all of that, and you'll probably get a copy of the game or something when it releases. Don't hold me against it, but I'll try to do something. I like to give back to people that give stuff. So eventually something good will come from it. I assure you that. Now let's go do some more sneaking. There's also money to be made and grabbed and found everywhere, and that's gonna be used. At the top right you see my level is 1. Find enough money and gold and all that funky stuff so that you level up, because items are now becoming more important. I'll get to that in a minute. Let's see if I headshot, always good. Where's my team? Why is my team running away? Come on guys, back me up. There's a lot of enemies here. Why are there so many enemies? Alright, I think we got almost all of them. So you noticed a couple of headshots. That's a new thing I've been adding to the game. It's very difficult at first. It's pretty much aim at the head and hope you'll actually hit it. But you can improve on your headshots by grabbing scope items. That's why I'm trying to level up myself. With some luck I'll gain a scope item or option. Wow, sorry, I have to concentrate for a minute because these guys are everywhere. Why is this so many enemies? I'm very low on health. I have one medibox. Alright, just use it. And I got another one over here and another couple of bad guys. We completed the mission, so let's just get out of here really quickly. And we'll level up in another level. We'll get some ammo. Alright, let's just get out of here. We can take this one out. We need to open the door. And, I'll be the first one to get out of here because that's a lot of bad guys. So I'm not leveled up yet. I need some money just to prove a point here. Give me some money, some gold, something to level up with. Always check the trash. Level up. Alright. Been working on these items. Now some of these were already in the game. Been adding a bunch of new ones. Flash grenades. You can grab as many as you want. The type of pickups you get are fairly random right now. I might change that based on how far you are in the game, but you'll be able to unlock new weapons, unlock gear and items and things that help you. Right now, flash grenade, not interesting. Machine gun, I really like those, so we'll grab a machine gun. Thank you. You'll be able to unlock a scope, which improves your aim, and that improves the chance of doing a headshot. And a headshot is an instant kill, so you want to be good at that if you can. We have also a grip tape, which pretty much makes certain melee weapons last longer. A baseball bat, after like 7 or 8 hits against somebody's skull. Yeah, it's a violent game, I know. After hitting stuff a few times, it breaks and it's done. With grip tape, it lasts longer. So grip tape is a pretty good one to have. And let me just take this one out and clear the room a bit. Sorry, dude, mechanic. Yeah. And I've been adding more items. We also have security camera scramblers. Right now you need to either cut the power, or you need to find a security computer and the security code to disable a security camera system. But if you have a scramble item, you can just hold it in your hands and the cameras won't pick you up or won't notice your squad members either. Downside of that is you can't really carry a weapon while carrying it. So it's little things like that will hopefully make the player have to make certain decisions tactically or strategically. If do I grab a security scrambler, or do I find the security camera, or turn all the power off for a couple of minutes? What's my best approach to these levels? And of course that also means I have to make levels that are interesting to give you such choices. And there's a security camera over there. Let me just quickly run past it while my squad deals with that guy. Oh, he's coming after me. Well, let's have the security code, so I'll just disable that camera. And now my team can also hop along and move over here. I'm not sure if I don't have any live team members left. I have a medikit. Also added this. You can now revive your squad members if they're fallen with one of your own medikits. Of course, that's a risk because I'm at 3 health points and my teammate is at 0. Do I revive him, or do I save myself or give myself an extra health point? I'm a good guy. I'll give... oh, sorry. I'm a good guy, but I pressed the wrong button. I used my own medikit, so... yeah, sorry, dude. I'll see if I can find another medikit around. If not, I'll be doing the rest of the mission by my own and saving this guy and having to deal with everything that comes at us. And of course, I have another medikit. Alright, where is he? Where is he? Use medikit to heal. Okay, he's back in business. Now I lost my hostage guy. He's already near the exit. That's great for him, but not so good for me because I still have to... Oh, my guy went down again. I should hire new personnel. This team member is... Yeah, that happened. That just happened. Yeah. Let me try that again. We now know a little bit about mission. Apparently we go in with just 2 team members, or just me and 1 team member. So I'll have to concentrate a little bit more on keeping us both alive. Apparently. Mission 1.1 was done. Mission 1.2 is here. Let's do that again. But yeah, only 2 squad members go in. That's part of this mission. Now I know, and I'll do better. So let's see if we can get a little bit further using stealth and taking him out. And there's not a lot of others. Can we collect some stuff? Yes, we can. My teammate is squashing some ooze, bits, giblets, thingies. Let's leave that guy over there. Turn off the light a little bit. Now we have to... I think I've been spotted. Yeah, I've been spotted. Alright, doesn't matter. We can take them. 2 on 2, 2 on 1. Just need a little bit of luck with a headshot. Or just give me the machine gun. Take out this guy. Get the security code. All very easy. Wait for the camera to turn away. Rush into this door. He will take out that guy. And we punch in the new random code, so it's a different code every time. Security camera down, and let's not get our guy killed, because we're gonna need his weapon. Oh, the hostage is not in this room anymore. It's in this room. Alright, that's okay. Not a lot of enemies, just some ooze bits, ooze giblets, oozy thingies. I haven't really given them a name. It's just ooze. It's bad. Whatever it is bad. It's taking over other humans and we don't want it spreading around. Alright, a couple of guys. Let's kill them and get our hostage out of here. Headshot. Very nice. Still got my partner with me. Got the hostage. Another guy. And we got power. Let's wreck some stuff over here. Of course, I should have done this when there are enemies around and not if there is nobody around, but I think we're gonna manage it. And let's leave that guy alone. We'll just sneak to the exit. Mission accomplished. We didn't see that one coming. And we'll move to the next mission and we'll just slowly make our way into the building. Now maybe we can lure some bad guys to us by turning on the music. We'll just make a stand in this room and see if we can make sure that everything is clear. It worked, but not as expected. This guy just didn't know how to find his way to the room. Alright, what do we have here? Night vision. Yeah, very interesting one to have, because if you're gonna cut the power in a building, you actually want to have this item. If you don't have night vision, it's gonna be a very dark level for you as well, not just the enemy. Night vision is gonna be interesting. Proximity bombs are fun to just place in a hallway, and when you're rushing out and the enemies will rush through those proximity bomb areas, they'll explode. And grip tape extends the melee weapon. I think I'm going for night vision right now. I have 0 in my inventory and I kind of like having it because I kind of like cutting the power in levels. That's just a thing I'd like to do. It's a hobby. It's a side project. Cutting the power in levels. Just in games. I don't do it in actual buildings. Not yet, at least. moving on. Alright, think we have a key card, so we can open this door. And then we can punch the button for that door. Now the layouts of the levels are not random. Placing of stuff is random, but the levels themselves are not. But there will be a lot more levels added. Right now I have like maybe 2 or 3 domestic type things and 1 or 2 industrial type areas. There will be like 16 of each, or maybe even more. So that every time you play a game, there's a good chance you'll eventually know the map, but most of the time you have a different map. That's at least the goal I have. And right now I just been waiting with level designs because I'm still adding new functions. So I want to design levels that have all the functions that I can use, and I don't want to redesign levels because I've added a couple of cool new features and then I have to somehow mix them into the level design. So I've been waiting with level design until I have more interesting features. Also, I have a lot of levels with small corridors and narrow areas, but there will also be maps with bigger areas because that plays very differently. Obviously, it plays very differently, and sneaking will be slightly harder to do in big areas, but the action stuff will then again be more interesting because there's more areas to duck and hide and run and use special powers like that. The Wrecking Ball guy has become my favorite character. His dash is just, it's not overpowered, but it's very powerful and a very cool move to do. So I've been using it a lot and actually been just playing the game with him and completely forgot about the other 2 characters I already had up and running in the game. I have power, so let's just take these guys out easy, complete the mission and go to our extraction point. While you guys take care of him, I'll head over here. And you can rush through a level, but obviously you want to level up so you can collect more gear. And to level up you need to find money and gold, and for that you need to search everywhere in every corner and every item. So yeah, it's up to you to, you can either rush, but then you won't have a lot of extra items, or you take your time and collect as many money and gold as possible and thus be able to unlock a lot more items. And this is first mission completed, first 3 levels. Now you get to pick a building, increase alien DNA pill drops. That's not really in the game yet, so I don't need that. Decrease special power required, that's interesting, but the 10% bad guy HP increase is less interesting. This screen is interesting, but I think there's still too much information. You need to be, it has to be faster to understand what building you want to pick. I think, I'm not sure if people would want to waste or really take a lot of time on this screen. Maybe, especially if you're streaming like I am kind of doing now, recording this, and then maybe it's interesting to talk to your audience and see what they want to pick. Yeah, I haven't decided on that screen just yet. So mission 2, but we're going to do a little bit of a trickery now. I'm going to go to headquarters and then I'm going to show you a bit of the items I added to the game. Let me see, we have a scrambler, it's just item 49. I'll first need to enter a level editor and then pick a level with a security camera, which I think is level 4. Yeah, level 4 has a security camera pretty close to the oh, we're still leveling up. Oh, and I have a scrambler, as I don't have to cheat this at all. Pick the scrambler, open this door, open that door. You'll notice the security camera up there and my squad is not moving. It's just not a safe area for them. But we have a scrambler. So scramble security cameras while holding it, hold it, and we can now walk. As you can see, the camera has a question mark on top, which means it doesn't see anything, it's being scrambled, it's confused, and we can safely move through the hallway. Now let me just quickly put away this thing and the camera will activate again. And we're probably going to be seeing some enemies or something else is happening because the game is slowing down. I'm not sure, something is running in the background, I think. Let's just do it full screen. Something is happening on my computer, slowing down everything. Weird. Anyway, that's the scrambler item. Let's see, I also added the grip tape, we saw that. The breacher item is pretty much, certain doors are locked or need a key card. If you don't have power or don't have a key card, the breacher will still open those doors. Interesting item to have, because that means you can turn off the power in the building and then still go through all the doors that you want to go through, close them, and the enemy might not have seen you at all. We have stuff like metal plates and normal armor. That's now actually visible. Let me show you that one. Let's go to HQ, play it, and drop item 42. And we now can grab an item. This is armor, and it's now visible when you carry something like this. There's an armor like this, but there's also a trash can lid that you can just grab. It's not going to be it's not going to last long, but it's still going to, well, keep bullets away from your body, which is pretty much the main thing you want with this stuff. And besides that, heartbeat detection is going to be an interesting one. Let me skip to a level with some enemies in there. This one should do, and then let's see, we had number 41. Let's give ourselves number 41. Alright, we have this one. Now, the door is closed, we don't see much, but with the heartbeat detection, we can now see there are enemies behind that door. Actually, a lot of enemies. Good to know, because you don't want to go into with a knife, you want to go in there shooting. So a heartbeat monitor will show you that. Right now it's just one type of heart, but I think I'm gonna make them, well, hello, somebody entered the house. I think I'm gonna make the hearts purple for bad guys. They have this purplish pinky ooze inside of them, and then the hostages and maybe avatars can have red hearts. That way you know what kind of area you're gonna be entering into. And again, an interesting item. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of guys over here, and we're not gonna take them all out. Actually, I think we're gonna die. Yeah, which is probably a good moment to end this video. Yeah, I died. Yeah, that happens daily. Game developer. And that's Regulator City, where I'm currently at. And I hope this video was a lot better than the one I recorded this morning. I hope you enjoyed seeing more of the game. I'm gonna focus more on that. I'll be recording a gameplay video like this, specifically explaining the game, what it does, and that will be streaming at the top of the Steam store page. Hopefully very soon. I just have to get a current version of the game that's perfect for that, you know. And that's always hard, because as a game developer you always notice things that aren't perfect and you want to change them first, and then you have to record the video again, and then you see other stuff, and on and on and on. But I'm gonna record that video, and I will probably do it again in like a few months later when the game is better and improved and even more shiny and polished and all that. But for now, this was it. I'm gonna edit this video now and hope it's, well, apparently it was perfect or good enough because you've been watching it. So thanks for that. Like, subscribe, comment below, hop on the Discord, come talk, come chat, come have fun, and make sure to wishlist Regulator City. I need wishlist, and tell your friends. And if you're like have a social group or a game club or whatever, tell them about the game. That's really gonna help me make the most out of this game and keep making these videos and other games and keep it interesting and entertaining for everybody. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.